What's up guys, Mark here with Driver67. Today I'm going to show you footage of the Mazda i-activ all-wheel drive performing in the snow. So the vehicle will be in a full stop condition and will be hard accelerating from a stop. So that way you can see how all four wheels are spinning, if all four wheels are spinning together, if all the front is moving more than the back wheels, etc. And this is going to be performed on 2018 Mazda CX-5. Alright, the first video is going to be real-time speed. Alright, this is a super slow motion video. What I did notice upon really close inspection is the front wheel slipped a little bit first, then the back wheel, but the delay is like really close together. It's almost hard to perceive until you really keep a close eye on this video, and then that way you can see the front wheel slip a little bit, then the back wheel kicks in. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's been helpful for you to understand the Mazda i-activ all-wheel drive. And if you guys got any suggestions for videos for the Mazda CX-5 or the MX-5, just drop a comment below and let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.